I gotta tell you, one of the most frustrating things I've had to do in repairs and installation is installing a new fan, especially a remote fan. Each one of them, if they don't come with a remote, come with a little slide out thing over here. It's actually a driver that drives and controls the lamp and the fan. If it doesn't come with one, most mounts are like this where they can just shove in there. But the problem is that when you're trying to wire it up here, they keep sliding out. So I take a zip tie or tape. You can use tape, but zip tie works really well. And you see how I've got it arced across. And I put 2 zip ties together so it would stay in place. Now you can wire from this area and your job will go smoother. Then put your blades on. Don't put them on the ground. You'll hate your life.